Okay, this is the first stage at Friday, June 25th. This is Tom's short block. It's back from the machinist. They came and 60 over is out, and what I've got is it primered in self-etching primer right before it's painted. So I'll give you another one when it's painted. Bye. Okay, still Friday, June 25th, 2021. We're looking at the short block for Tom's engine, a Black Beauty. This is the MG Red Beauty. It's all ready to go and start building. So I'll keep giving you updates. Okay, it's Monday morning, June 28th. On Friday, it was the first day I had a chance to work on the engine. I painted it, primered and then painted. Now that it's had the whole weekend to cure, it will have another coat after I do this procedure. And what I'm doing right now is chasing all of the nuts, all of the bolts right here. Nice thing is I've got the full description of everything, like the Kappa head cover studs right there. Those are 6x1s. These are 6x1s, and these are 8x1s. And what I've done is using a drill, I'm chasing each drill hole with the proper, and then chamfering just like that, which takes all the burrs out. Nice set here. I've got everything I need to do the entire engine. It's going to take a while. I don't know if it's going to take all day, but I've got a whole, this is 6 pages long of holes, and each one of them needs to be done. So that's it for right now. Bye. Okay, it's still Monday afternoon, and now that I have all the bolt holes are chased and chamfered, it's ready to work with every nut and bolt. And what I have to do is, on the buffer, is buff every one of them, get them looking like this. These are all the ones that need to get buffed and look all nice and pretty and chased. And there's no magic to where they go. That's why I could just throw them in a bucket, because when they come out, I'll know what size they are, what length they are, whether they're metric or Whitworth, and actually where they go. So it's just a matter of time of doing every one of them, and with the buffer, it makes them all nice and clean and all the threads are good. So I'm going back to work. Just a small correction. I kept saying buffer, and what I meant by a buffer is a wire wheel on a bench grinder. And every nut and bolt and every part goes through that wire brush. And after I wire brush everything, get them all good and clean and soaked and with soap and water, let dry, and then they go through and I paint with self-etching primer every nut and bolt, every part, because they want them super clean. You don't want any grime. It's any grime that gets in that engine can cause a whole failure and just dirt getting in there. So it's a long process, but it's well worth it. Okay, it's Tuesday morning. Yeah, it's going pretty good. What you're looking at here is what I call a clean table. Nothing goes on this table unless it's been through the wire brush on the grinder and self-etched primered, first acetoned and then with the self-etched primer. These are all those are the bearings, the new tappets, new rods. That's going pretty good. I'm not finished cleaning the engine yet. That'll go pretty good. Bye.